If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Exposure, +0.3. Contrast, +5. Highlights, -70. Shadows, +5. Whites, +45. Blacks, -45. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Let's make these changes to the red curve. Make the following changes to the green curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Temp, -10. Tint, -5. Vibrance, +15. Saturation, +10. Open color mix. Red, hue, -20. Saturation, +45. Luminance, +65. Orange. Hue, -30. Saturation, +5. Luminance, +30. Yellow. Hue, -40. Saturation, +5. Luminance, +15. Green. Hue, -10. Luminance, -5. Aqua. Saturation, +70. Luminance, -25. Blue. Hue, +5. Saturation, -25. Purple. Saturation, -100. Magenta. Saturation, -100. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue plus 80. Saturation plus 10. Luminance plus 20. Move to midtones. Hue plus 35. Saturation plus 30. Luminance plus 20. Change the highlights. Hue plus 75. Saturation plus 20. Luminance plus 35. Edit global. Hue plus 35. Saturation plus 10. Luminance minus 5. Open the effects section. Texture plus 5. Clarity minus 20. Dehaze plus 20. Open optics and tick remove CA. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.